We're going to be talking about a very important subject now, and it's often the missing link into why people are not getting well. I've heard of people say, I had breast cancer, tried the natural way and it just didn't work. I had ovarian cancer, tried the natural way and it didn't work. I'm always intrigued as to what this natural way is. Because yes, definitely we need water, we need exercise, we need early nights, we need nourishing food. That's all fairly common sense, isn't it? But what I'm about to tell you today is the missing link into why those two ladies didn't heal. In fact, why many didn't heal. And it also explains why Angelina Jolie did not have to remove her breasts, and many women follow suit. They actually just needed to balance their hormones.
In today's video, Barbara O'Neill dives into the critical topic of hormonal imbalances and how they can significantly impact our health. Ever wonder why this issue is so widespread or why it often gets overlooked? Stick around to find out as Barbara unpacks the reasons behind this common problem and its far-reaching effects. Make sure to watch the entire video to catch all the insights Dr. Barbara O'Neill has to share. Let's jump right in.
Hormones are little chemical messengers in our body. Messengers giving messages. And the hormones particularly are messages that affect our emotions, that affect our sexuality. Too much of a female hormone can cause a man to be effeminate, and too much of the male hormone in a female can cause a woman to be masculine. Depression, heart disease, cervical cancer, cysts on the ovaries, fibroids in the uterus, endometriosis, breast cancer. These are some of the symptoms of a woman having a hormonal imbalance. What about a man? A hormonal imbalance in a man can be revealed in a few ways. One is low sperm count, penile dysfunction, inability to hold an erection. Another symptom of a man having a hormonal imbalance would be prostate problems.
Hormonal imbalances happen when the levels of specific hormones in your bloodstream are either too high or too low. Since hormones play a critical role in regulating almost every bodily function, even minor disruptions can lead to noticeable changes in how your body works. These chemical messengers control a wide range of processes such as metabolism, sleep patterns, heart rate, mood, and reproductive health. Why are hormones so important? Think of hormones as the body's internal communication system. They send signals to different organs and tissues, telling them how to function. When this communication is disrupted, it can throw your entire system out of balance. For example, metabolism. Hormones like insulin and thyroid hormones regulate how your body uses and stores energy. An imbalance here can lead to sudden weight gain or loss. Sleep. Hormones such as melatonin and cortisol control sleep cycles, so disruptions may cause insomnia or excessive tiredness. Mood. Hormonal changes can influence serotonin levels, leading to mood swings, irritability, or even depression. Many people with hormonal imbalances experience fatigue, unexplained weight changes, increased sensitivity to cold or heat, or blood sugar fluctuations. The specific symptoms depend on which hormones or glands are involved. For women, symptoms can include irregular menstrual cycles, hot flashes, or intense premenstrual syndrome, or PMS. These are often tied to hormones like estrogen and progesterone. For men, hormonal shifts may cause issues like reduced sex drive, erectile dysfunction, or noticeable changes in testicle size, typically related to testosterone levels. Now let's discuss the importance of natural remedies. Natural remedies are powerful tools for balancing hormones naturally, offering a non-invasive holistic approach without relying on synthetic medications. What you eat directly impacts hormone regulation. A diet centered around whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can help stabilize hormones. Foods rich in fiber and low in sugar are especially beneficial as they regulate insulin levels and reduce inflammation. Key factors in maintaining hormonal balance. Certain herbs have been celebrated for their endocrine-supporting properties. For example, black cohosh is commonly used to manage menopause symptoms like hot flashes. Ashwagandha is known for reducing cortisol, the stress hormone, and promoting adrenal health. Maca root supports energy levels and helps regulate reproductive hormones. Physical activity plays a significant role in hormone health. Regular exercise helps reduce stress, support metabolism, and manage weight, all of which influence hormones. Additionally, yoga and meditation lower cortisol levels, enhance relaxation, and promote mental clarity, creating a positive ripple effect on overall hormone balance. Natural remedies not only address symptoms, but also target the root causes of hormonal imbalances. Furthermore, let's have a look on the role of diet on hormonal health. Diet is a cornerstone of hormonal health, directly influencing the balance and function of your body's hormones. Consuming processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt hormonal activity, potentially causing problems like insulin resistance, weight gain, and irregular menstrual cycles. On the other hand, a diet rich in nutrients provides the essential support your glands need to produce and regulate hormones effectively, fostering overall balance and well-being. 1. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are essential for keeping your hormones balanced, largely because they're rich in a compound called indole-3 carbinol. This powerful ingredient helps your liver detoxify, which is super important since your liver is responsible for breaking down and regulating hormones in your body. By regularly including these veggies in your diet, you can prevent the buildup of excessive hormones, especially estrogen, which in turn lowers the risk of hormone-related issues like certain cancers. Beyond their hormone-balancing properties, these vegetables are packed with vital nutrients like fiber, vitamin C and K, and essential minerals that boost your overall health and support your body's natural detox processes. So, adding more cruciferous vegetables to your meals is a smart and tasty way to maintain hormonal balance and promote overall well-being. 2. Flax seeds.
Flaxseed every day from when you start eating in a couple of days. We will feed you again. You'll be getting ground flaxseed. It contains lignans, and these lignans stimulate highway 2 and inhibit highway 16. It rings true of Hippocrates saying, "Let food be your medicine and medicine be your food."
Flax seeds are an excellent addition to a hormone-balancing diet due to their rich content of lignans and fiber. Lignans are natural compounds that act as phytoestrogens, meaning they can either stimulate or block estrogen receptors based on the body's needs, helping to stabilize hormone levels. Meanwhile, the fiber in flax seeds supports the elimination of excess hormones by binding to them in the digestive system, preventing their reabsorption into the bloodstream. This dual action makes flax seeds particularly helpful in managing estrogen dominance, a condition often linked to hormonal disorders and fertility challenges. Incorporating flax seeds into daily meals is an easy and effective way to support overall hormonal health. 3. Avocados. Avocados are more than just a delicious fruit. They are a nutritional powerhouse that plays a vital role in supporting hormonal balance. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados provide the essential building blocks for hormone production while maintaining the integrity of cell membranes, ensuring hormone receptors function efficiently. They are also packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and B vitamins, all crucial nutrients for overall health and hormonal regulation. These components not only help stabilize hormones, but also improve skin health, enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, and promote satiety, which supports healthy weight management, an essential factor in maintaining hormonal equilibrium. Adding avocados to your diet is a simple way to nourish your body and support optimal hormone function. 4. Salmon and fatty fish. Salmon and other fatty fish, such as mackerel and sardines, are rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which play a pivotal role in promoting hormonal balance. These healthy fats possess strong anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce cellular inflammation, a common contributor to hormonal disruptions. Omega-3s are particularly effective in regulating stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which, when chronically elevated, can interfere with the balance of other hormones in the body. Furthermore, omega-3s support brain health, enhancing the proper functioning of the endocrine system, which governs hormone production and regulation. Their anti-inflammatory benefits also extend to alleviating symptoms of hormonal disorders, such as menstrual pain and mood swings, making fatty fish an excellent addition to a hormone-friendly diet. 5. Quinoa. Quinoa stands out among grains as a complete protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that the body needs but cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are fundamental for hormone production, making quinoa a valuable addition to a diet focused on hormonal health. Additionally, quinoa is a rich source of magnesium, a vital mineral involved in numerous bodily processes, including hormone synthesis and regulation. Its complex carbohydrates and high fiber content further contribute by stabling blood sugar levels, preventing the insulin spikes that can lead to hormonal imbalances. By offering these combined benefits, quinoa supports overall hormonal harmony and metabolic health. And here comes the lifestyle changes for a hormonal balance.
I spend my money on good quality nuts and seeds and avocados and olive oils, your lovely cold pressed. And I exercise every morning. How could I miss out on my daily human growth hormone? So if it's a gale outside, if it's snowing outside, then I go to the rebounder. I do my push-ups. Do you do push-ups, ladies? I do my stretches, and I know the twins have shown you some amazing stretches. They're very good on those stretches. So stretches are great. So no matter what the weather, move that body every day. Get it into a movement, because you will reap the benefits all through the day when you do that little nugget every single morning.
Making intentional lifestyle changes is a cornerstone of maintaining hormonal balance, which has a profound impact on overall health and well-being. These changes go beyond diet and exercise to include stress management, quality sleep, and thoughtful daily habits. Stress management is essential, as chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can disrupt other key hormones like insulin, estrogen, and progesterone. Practices like mindfulness meditation, deep breathing, and spending time in calming environments such as nature are effective ways to lower stress. Sleep quality is equally important for hormone regulation. Inadequate sleep can negatively affect hormones like cortisol, insulin, and growth hormone. Sticking to a consistent sleep schedule, reducing exposure to blue light before bedtime, and creating a peaceful sleeping environment are simple yet powerful ways to improve rest. Regular exercise also plays a pivotal role in balancing hormones. Physical activity helps lower stress and regulate hormones such as insulin, which stabilizes blood sugar and appetite-regulating hormones. Whether it's brisk walking, yoga, or cycling, engaging in activities that raise your heart rate can significantly enhance hormonal health. By integrating these lifestyle adjustments, you can effectively support hormonal harmony and overall well-being. Making small tweaks to your diet and lifestyle can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. We hope this information gave you some fresh ideas and inspired you to start making those positive changes today. It's amazing how simple shifts in your daily habits can support hormonal balance and boost your vitality. If you're eager to dive deeper into understanding your health and making smart, informed choices, stay tuned. We've got plenty more to share. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos, packed with helpful tips and insights. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your journey toward better hormonal balance in the comments below. Thanks for joining us.